Hello everyone, in that video we will discuss about the University of Western Australia Research Scholarship. So I'll come down, and here if you are domestic student then you can click on domestic student scholarship, and if you are international student then click here international scholarships. And there are 4 scholarships available at the moment. Check here. So if you will click here, then you read the descriptions and you will know that how much will be the coverage of the scholarship. UA China scholarship is only for Chinese student. If you will click here, and you can know, if you will come here and you see the nationality is for Chinese citizens, so this is not eligible for all the international students. But these 3 scholarships are eligible for all the students, international students. UWA International Postgraduate Research Scholarship and Forest Research Foundation Postgraduate Scholarship, Destination Australia Research Scholarships. These are available for all international students. And now we will see how we can apply for that scholarship. You can also keep in mind about the deadlines here. If you click here important dates, okay, and then you will see here like when application will open and what are the deadlines and closing date for online scholarship, deadline for English test results, IELTS results, TOEFL which you need to submit, deadline for referee report. So you need to see all the deadlines here. These are the deadlines for international scholarship round, ranking and selection time, and these are the deadlines for domestic applicants and international UWA graduates only. Come back and I'll let you know that how we can apply. So after you will come here and then here apply through Athena. Here you will click here, and then you need to submit the application here. You need to register first. Click here and then register, and then you need to submit the application. If you have any questions related to that scholarship, you can ask me. Here you can see that now application are closed because you have saw here the deadline was 31 October, and this video we are making on 5th November. So you need to check the deadlines when you will visit on that website. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Take care.